Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something wild. We're pitting genius indoor planting tips versus vegetable garden hacks. And I'm going to show you 8 crazy tricks, 4 indoor, 4 outdoor. You can try this week to instantly level up your green space. Stick with me for the full ride because at the end I'll drop a surprise challenge you can't miss.
Indoor plants that purify your air. Vegetables you grow in 10 days. Think it's impossible? Think again. I'm going to show you fast, simple hacks that will blow your mind. And if you watch all the way to the end, you'll get my secret bonus tip that 100K people said changed everything.
Okay, quick intro. I'm your name. And if you love plants, hacks, and making your space better, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the bell because we're doing big things. Today, we split into 2 sides. Indoor plant arena on my right, vegetable garden field on my left. We'll do challenges, show results, and decide which side wins. You, the viewer, get to vote in the comments.
Most people think indoor plants need massive windows. Not true. I'll show you how to bounce light across your room using a mirror or reflective foil to double your plant's light without moving it. Watch this side by side. Instant boost. Plants love it. Your space just got smarter. This one's super quick. Take a plastic bottle, poke a few holes in the cap, invert it into your soil. Voila, it becomes a slow drip waterer for 5-7 days. Perfect for busy people or weekend trips. Easy, cheap, genius. Indoor plants like humidity. And you don't need a fancy humidifier. I show you how to repurpose a shower stall or bathroom. Bring the plant in during your next hot shower, leave it 10 minutes, and it gets the full spa treatment. Watch the plant's leaves perk up. Try it tonight. Want fresh basil, mint, parsley, right inside your kitchen window? We build a simple horizontal bar and suspend small pots so you use vertical space and still have your cooking view. It's stylish, efficient, and totally plants-friendly. Boom, herbs at your fingertips. Alright, indoor tips done, but now, the big challenge, vegetable garden hacks. We're going outside and things get wild. If you think indoor was easy, wait for this. No backyard? No problem. We turn an old shoebox or wooden crate into a mini raised bed. Fill with soil, compost, plant quick greens like lettuce or spinach. You'll have harvestable leaves in under 3 weeks. Watch me build it in 3 minutes. Small space, big payoff. This one's fun. Crush used eggshells. Fill small mesh bags. Bury them near your tomato plants. They act like mini fertilizer bombs releasing calcium slowly. Results: stronger stems, fewer cracked tomatoes. Nature's little power boost. Here's where the pros win. Plant marigolds next to your vegetables to repel pests naturally. Then plant beans next to corn to add nitrogen. I'll walk you through the layout so your garden is like a plant community working together. Smart plants, smart garden. Want veggies inside too? We create a mini microgreen kit using shallow trays and seeds, radish, mustard, ready to harvest in 7 to 10 days. Easy, fast, super fresh. Food in a week, real garden magic. Okay, here's the deal. I challenge you to do 1 indoor tip and 1 outdoor hack this week. Post a photo on Instagram or TikTok with Dr. Plant Hack Challenge and tag me. I'll feature the best ones next week. Also, comment below, which side won, indoor or vegetable garden? Your vote decides what we film next. And now my secret bonus trick, the one 100K plus people on our community say, changed everything. It's the night plant recharge trick. After sundown, bring your indoor plants into dim light for 1 hour with a fan blowing gently on them. Why? It mimics night breeze, triggers stronger root growth and tougher leaves. Try it for a week, you'll see the difference. Pro tip: outdoor veggies soak up moonlight and cool breeze the same way. Bring them under cover if it's hot. Thanks for watching. If you found even 1 hack you're going to try, smash that like button, share with a friend who kills their plants, or kills their garden, and don't forget to subscribe for next week's mega episode where we'll rank these hacks and you'll vote on which next challenge we do. Peace out. Get those plants growing.